Just a quick note, in the Wisconsin Examiner, dated July 30th, it states, Supreme Court summarily ends Court of Appeals Chief Judge's term. Court of Appeals Chief Judge Lisa Neubauer was relieved of her leadership duties by the Wisconsin Supreme Court's Chief Justice Annette Ziegler. Neubauer ran as a progressive candidate for the Supreme Court in 2019 and was defeated by Justice Brian Hagedorn. The three progressive justices on the Supreme Court reacted to this unprecedented action in an email sent to all appeals judges in the state on Wednesday. Well, this is evidence here that there are at least three progressive justices on the Supreme Court. And of course, these people would likely rule against Kyle or Dominick on any appeals submitted to them. On Monday, the Wisconsin Supreme Court issued an order, signed by Ziegler, declaring that Neubauer's term leading the appeals court will expire on July 31st. The same order replaced her with a new chief, Court of Appeals Judge William Brash. But according to the email sent by Justices Ann Walsh Bradley, Rebecca Frank Dowlett, and Jill Karofsky, never before has this court limited the number of terms that can be served as Chief Judge of the Court of Appeals. The three justices objected to the timing and lack of process employed by a majority of this court in the appointment process and said they had not had time to weigh in on the order. Okay, so just a few questions comes up. Number one, do all 16 judges on the Court of Appeals act as a uniform body when reviewing cases for appeal? I was under the impression that if you were appealing a decision in a certain district, that only judges from that district would hear your appeals, but it looks like all 16 of them do. I could have that wrong. I'm not from Wisconsin, so if anybody is from Wisconsin and knows, please let me know. The other question I have is, the fact that you have a progressive now that's been terminated as the head of the appeals court, does this have any real effect on the decisions made by the court? In other words, does this improve the chances that Kyle and Dominick will receive a fair appeals, or does it have any effect at all? Hard for me to say. Like my video and subscribe to my channel.